May His favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family, and your children, and their children, and their children. May His presence